Mattina mi sono alzato, oh bella ciao, bella ciao, bella ciao.
Hi everyone, this is Gauri again. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great and doing well. Today I am here with two boxes of power gummies, and one is for gorgeous hair and nails and one is for the beach body. This is a 2-month supply which I purchased from Power Gummies, and it is a box like this. It opens and we have 2 bottles here like this. As you can see, I have already finished 1 bottle of this hair and nails gummies. I'm on the second one, and I take 2 power gummies after dinner in the night for the hair and nails. So 2 of them in the night, that's how I take it. After finishing this 1 bottle, I can tell you for sure from my personal experience that I have seen a lot of difference in my hair. I feel that my hair fall has reduced drastically, really drastically, because there was a lot of hair fall that I was experiencing earlier. Since I've started taking these, and after this 1 bottle is finished, I feel that my hair has become a bit thicker, slight difference in thickness as well as reduced hair fall. This is from my personal experience. I'm not bluffing, I'm not exaggerating. I was experiencing heavy hair fall, and now it has considerably reduced. Every time I used to brush my hair, there used to be a lot of hair fall. I have long hair, so you can imagine the difficulties I face. So now I see less hair in my hairbrush or on the ground when I brush my hair, as well as my hair feels a bit thicker from here. When I used to tie a ponytail or a bun, it used to be like little, because I have thin hair, so it used to be like a little bun, but now it's become thicker. Plus the quality of my hair has improved. So I'm feeling really good about this, and I'm going to be placing another order once I finish both of my bottles. This is, if you can see, this is also almost halfway through. So I've been taking this for some time now. So these are like cute blue gummies, and they taste really nice. They are like little teddies, and they are like really cute. And they taste amazing. They are like really nice. So for the beach body, again it is like same bright green, dark green case with 2 bottles of beach body gummies. This is again a 2-month supply, and I take this after breakfast in the morning. I have missed a couple of days, so I have still not finished, like maybe more than a couple of days, because there are a few gummies. So these are like gummies like these. So I have missed a few days, so I'm still on my first bottle, because I'm taking other health supplements as well. So I am lagging behind. I have 4 or 5 gummies left in this bottle, first bottle. So I'm still on my first bottle. These are like green, and they taste nice as well. Like, see, cute gummies. They're like that. So I'll be finishing my bottle made by tomorrow, and then I'll be on my next bottle. About the effects of this, I'm not really sure. I'm not really sure how effective this is, because it has to be coupled, all of it, like all of these, all the health supplements that we eat have to be coupled with good diet and workouts as well. And I'm lagging behind in my workouts majorly, because I'm not finding time, and sometimes I don't find motivation to work out, so I'm gonna get back to my working out soon. So, but I'm eating all right. I'm eating healthy stuff, so that's a plus. So I am not yet sure about, it might help if I am regular with my workouts and my diet is all right. So if I'm regular with my workouts, this might help, you know, a lot more than right now it's helping. So both these gummies have no gelatin, no gluten, and they are sugar free. I purchased these at 40% off for 2760. Otherwise, individually, these gummies are 2300 per box for a 2-month supply. So that's it from me, guys. In case you have any questions, please feel free to leave comments, and if you have any kind of queries about the gummies or any other video that you might want me to make, please do feel free to leave comments, and I will see you next time. Until then, take care of yourself and be good.
Del partigiano morto per la libertà.